Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, central Westmoreland County and southwestern Pennsylvania until 2:45 p.m. At 2:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dalemont, or 7 miles southeast of Apollo, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Avonmore, Saltsburg, New Alexandria, Slickville. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.